In this video, we will be replacing the windshield wiper blades in this 2003 Toyota Camry. On the driver's side, we can raise our windshield wiper blade all the way up as far as it will go. Next, I'm going to rotate that windshield wiper blade all the way back so it is sitting perpendicular to the windshield wiper arm. And then grabbing on both sides of the windshield wiper blade, I will press downward on the windshield wiper arm, and that should allow us to remove it from that arm. And I like to replace these one at a time because sometimes there are different sizes for the driver's side versus the passenger side. So I like to double check and make sure I am putting the exact same size on for the one I took off. And here we can see that there is obviously two different sizes, the longer one being on the driver's side. And if we take a look at these new windshield wipers, we do have a small tab on the back. We can lift that tab up, which will give us access inside the wiper assembly. And on our vehicle, we can slide that hook into our wiper assembly, slide that forward, and lower that clip. And make sure you remove that protective shield. The only difference with our passenger side is that it is not necessary to raise the wiper arm up all the way. And again, much like the driver's side, I'm going to double check my new part to make sure that it is the same size as my old part. And we can flip open that clip, install it onto our vehicle, and remove that cover. And lastly, we can test them out. And everything looks crystal clear.